The first gift of Christmas.
Oh, Barbara is fluffy comfortable?
Maybe.
Barbara?
What?
She comfortable?
Is what?
Graham, how do you like that?
It's very nice. I didn't hear you, Jane.
Eastern Floral made that to our specifications.
How pretty.
I said, do you like natural? You like the nice natural colors and birds and...
Yeah.
Huh.
I think you could probably hang it on that hook on the door and just take it
And it'll last.
down.
It's not fresh, so it'll last.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's not real, so it'll last forever.
Yeah, take that thing down.
Will these stretch out as I wear them?
Yeah. Oh yeah, they will.
Yeah, my friend who draws his nose cones.
Does it just lift off in there? Oh.
Are they, Brendan?
Yeah, Joe always takes them.
He takes you slippers. You like it, Graham?
Yeah.
Wow, it's just the right size for the door.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like the birdhouse.
So do I. That's
Yeah.
I saw one they had and I said, you know, I love the birdhouse. And
Yeah, those will stretch out now. If they don't, I'll just...
But I asked them to make a difference because I didn't care for some of the stuff.
Oh, yeah.
So they took it all apart and remade it.
Yeah, no, that's really pretty. It's perfect. It contrasts good with the door.